Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with UNICE and they sent me the cutest wig on the planet. This one is getting me in all of my feels when it comes to spring. Like, I'm ready to pop out, and she is a pre-styled wig. So this one here came with the pre-styled curtain bang and a nice little roller to keep it intact. She is a honey brown highlight loose wave wig in the length 24 inches. And again, she came pre-styled with an upgraded cap. The drawstring in the back is upgraded. The lace is a 13x6 and she includes the peel and stick wig tape. She also has the anti-slip technology with built-in silicone strips here at the crown as well as around the nape. Now these are the perfect addition to help your wig to not slip at all. It's like a magnet, if you will. You put your wig on, and when it sits at the crown, those 3 medical grade strips are going to just plop into place, hold, and you don't have to do any install or anything for this to work. It's literally like magic. Also, the adjustable strap in the inside is an upgrade as it is nice and paper thin now, but also still adjustable. All of this here is going to make the wig to fit nice, easy, and glueless, and you're going to end up with a nice, flawless, professional install straight from home that you can do all by yourself. So I will have all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box so you can read all about the vibes. Today we're going to be doing a very beginner friendly straight out of the box install. I'm going to show you how to touch your curls up so that you can keep that flawless finish. And of course there's a link to her in the description box. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Late night, city light, to the base of my heartbeat, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. This my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Yeah, Ashley Bedeck. Yeah, family love, we locked in. Yeah, yeah, let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like the shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable power. Every single day, yeah, we grow like flowers. Yeah, I feel the love surround me. Yeah, yeah, it's the thing that keep me grounded. Yeah, yeah, when the world gets cloudy.
Okay, love bugs. In the midst of everything, I am watching my girl Glamazante. Shout out to her. I like to watch her vlogs. Also, my youngest just lost the top tooth, the top left tooth, I think it is. So she looks super funny. But this is the look. The camera did shut out while we were curling this side. So you guys know I kind of like to speed up through it anyway. You guys don't need to see like the whole thing being curled. But this is the result. I had pulled out my pin curls because I was gonna go ahead and pin curl. But I knew that with this, I didn't mind it being like more relaxed curls. So if it would have like dropped more, I would have been okay with that, as long as we got that good face framing curtain bang that, you know, we love so much. But to my surprise, you didn't even need to pin curl it because number one, it did already come with curls, and usually if it comes with curls and you recurl, you should be good to go. And then number two, it's just some good hair, right? This one did come from UNICE, as I mentioned, and I have this jacket on. Super cute little set that I got from a place we're not supposed to be shopping, but it was way cheaper than the aloe, so we move. But this is the look. I love it so much. I'm always here for a pre-styled and or pre-colored wig. Doing it myself as far as cutting layers, of course I do want to learn how to do that a lot better, but also, like, how do you say it, the fear of buying a brand new wig and cutting it on the first day or as soon as you get it and then messing it up is scary. So the fact that this one comes pre-cut, you kind of like save yourself there where you don't have to like put yourself through that anxiety, because imagine like you do like a big chop on a brand new wig and you can't put the hair back, you can't take it back. And then the color, I feel like it's so 2020, 2019, 2022, 2021 to go into the sink and have to like dye your hair. Now there are some girls who love to customize their hair, but honestly, like as a overstimulated mom with 3 kids, just thinking about adding something like styling, like adding this kind of layer to my hair when I'm always with my kids, they are here with me because we homeschool, it's just too much. So I would rather pay the professionals to get it done for me and know for a fact that it's gonna come out right anyways. And this is the result. Okay, so this one here includes an upgraded cap, and I love that for me. First of all, you guys know I already love the drawstring and how it makes the wig fit glueless. We also have the upgrade of the elastic band in there, which still is adjustable, but it's very, 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 very thin, very seamless, and just a better fit and feel altogether. And we also have that silicone, that medical silicone around the nape, as well as right here at the crown, which helps me to be able to have a no slip wig. Once you sit the wig on you, it's like glue or like a magnet where you drop the wig on, and for example, this right here is gonna hold in place to where it's not gonna slide back. Same with the nape. If you have it down, it's not gonna lift up, especially when you have that drawstring activated. Chef's kiss. Now I know you guys love this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.